Bounce pass to the middle. Is stolen for someone. And is stolen it back. And the lace. Gets it to go. Cross pass. Inside pass now. Libren gets it to go. Inside pass. Bounce pass inside Florer. Bucket is good. And fires at 3. Short. Rebound put back. Bucket for 2. Welcome to NBTC 2025 Nueva Ecija, and here's Team San Juan between the legs. Will bump, kicks it out, wide open for 3. Bang! 3 points! And the pass, Cristobal will lace. Yes sir, Cristobal! San Juan taking it easy. And Di Distancia atake, kicks it out, open, fires at 3, short. Rebound, put back, bucket for 2. And high pass sa gitna. And the pass is stolen. And the lace, bucket for 2. Bounding here for Team San Juan. Pull up J long 2, no good. Rebound, follow up shot, yes sir. Here is number 7 for San Juan, spinning. Cross pass. Inside pass now. Libren gets it to go. And it's Team Nueva Ecija. Wings area. Inside pass. Another kicks out sa 3. In and out. Rebound. Nueva Ecija number 3, number 10. Sa gitna. Sa 3 pa rin. Bang! 3 points. And here you go. Team Power San Juan number 17 launches on 3. Bang! The answer. And here's number 7 to the wings area. Number 21. Hook pass. Kick corner. Fires at 3. Bang! And he hit! Subido. Subido stops to the middle. Kicks it out. Subido. Corner. Pull up J. Bullseye. Number 7 for Nueva Ecija. He passes to number 10. To the middle. Wings area. Inside pass. Bounce pass inside Florer. Bucket is good. Is stolen for San Juan. And stolen it back. And the lace. Gets it to go. That's the end of. And Kalmahan. Stop number 24. Open look fire. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team San Juan, number 13. And drives to the middle. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. And it's 19 all. Number 5 bump. Drives. Pass inside. Stolen. And the pass. And he lays. Yes sir. And 2-point lead for Nueva Ecija. Sa 3. Nagid. Rebound Nueva Ecija. Now in Harry. Number 24. The pass. He stops for 3. Nagid. Rebound. And kicks out. And Florer off the window. Money. Rebound Nueva Ecija. High pass. Number 5. He stops. Kicks it out. Goes inside, another kicks out, corner 3. Bang! 3 points! And the lace. Oh, nag-jelly sa ere. And here's number 7, the receiver. Sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Nugget. Rebound pa rin. San Juan. And attacking the defense. Speedel pass. Inasa pa. Ang gandang pasa. Pinaikot-ikot yung ball. Of the third. Team Nueva Ecija. Wings area. Natapikan, naagawan. And the pass. And he's stolen it back. The lace. Yes sir. For Nueva Ecija. And his Team San Juan now. He stops. Pass to the middle. Between the legs. Bump. Kicks it out. Open look. He fires. Negid. And pass. Pinapasa pabalik. Oh, rejected. And here's inbounding. High pass. And picks. He stops sa gitna. Will drive. Reverse layup. Guesser. And 4-point lead for Nueva Ecija. And number 7 to number 24. Corner pass. Pull-up jumper of 3. Bang! 3. Number 23. High pass for Team San Juan. Stops. Pull-up jumper. Negid. Rebound Nueva Ecija. Pass to number 7 to the middle. Drive straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2. Inbound. Team Power. Power San Juan. Defended by number 23. Kicks out. Will drive the floater shot. In and out. Rebound mapupunta pa rin sa San Juan and good for 2. And there's Team Power San Juan. Pass it to the middle. And natapikan. Stolen. And here's Nueva Ecija. Leash. Yes sir. And middle pass. Wing side. Drives. Pinabitin. Bucket for 2. And here comes Team Nueva Ecija. And kicks out corner. Open fires at 3. Negid. And crosses over to the middle. Another one. For 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team Nueva Ecija. Bounce pass. Inside pass. Oh, create space. The floater of the window. Bucket for 2. And here's number 33. Number 23. Number 24 will drive. Lost the handle. Stolen. Nerido, the long pass. Sakto yung pasa. Sakto yung tira. Down to 8-point lead. And 8-point lead. Nueva Ecija. Reverse layup. Back to 10 points lead. And his Team San Juan is spinning. Crossover. Dive for the ball. And the pass. 3-on-1. Bounce pass. And Lee's bucket. 12-point lead. Team Nueva Ecija sa gitna. Deep 3. Negid. Follow-up shot. Wala. And drive. Stop loader. Bucket for 2. And the pass. And launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's Team Power San Juan. Between the legs. The pass. Attacks. Pull-up jumper. Bullseye. And creating space. Number 13. He stops to the middle. Pull-up jumper. Bullseye of the glass. 9-point lead for Team Nueva Ecija. And number 11 holds the ball. The pass to the hoops. Bucket. And here you go. Team San Juan, the high pass. Sakto yung pasa, sakto yung tira and the finish. Back to single digit ang Kalamangan sa 3. Negid. Rebound para sa San Juan. He goes to the middle. Natapikan. And drives. Pinoy step. Oh! Basket and 1. For Team Nueva Ecija. He goes to the screen. Will drive. Straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And the high pass. Number 13. Di distansya sa gitna. I-dribble. Drives. Pinoy step. Fires. And traveling. And attacks. Pull-up jumper, the free throw. Gets it to go. And the pass. Open look, long 2. Bullseye. And slowly dribbling the ball. For Team San Juan, number 5. To the wing side. He launches on 3. Bang! The net. 8-point lead for Team Nueva Ecija. Number 12. Number 17, another 3. Bang! 51-57. And now, 6-point lead for Nueva Ecija. Pull-up jumper. Bullseye! Down to naagawan. And the bounce pass. And fast, easy bucket. Nueva Ecija. Inside pass. Another extra pass. Oh, what a connection. Congratulations, Team Nueva Ecija.